What is up, YouTube? How is everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a great freaking day. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andy from Diablo Formula Racing, and this is my channel, and welcome to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do me a favor at the end of the video, subscribe, hit that like button, and show your support. I am very appreciative of it, as always. Before we get this video started, we are going to be talking about a product that this company just keeps sending me over and over and over again. And I don't know why they keep doing it, but for some reason they think they're gonna talk me into shaving my beard off. And I'm sure you guys know what that company is. It is Dollar Shave Club, guys. They've actually sent me something a little bit different this time. I'm gonna show you what's in this box here. But in this bigger box, they actually sent me some toothpaste. I guess they're trying to tell me I need to brush my teeth, I don't know. And we have a very, very nice toothbrush as well, right there, which is pretty cool. I wasn't aware that Dollar Shave Club actually dabbled in this stuff, but they actually do, which is pretty cool. So you guys can actually go over to their website. There will be a link in the description. The first link, you can purchase these items along with all the other items that they have available as well. So of course we're going to open up our Dollar Shave Club box, and you know, the one thing I really like about these boxes, this is like upside down here, it's kind of crazy. I'm trying to do it with one hand holding my camera. It's very, very weird. But on the bottom they always have these little cool sayings. This one says, "Someday I'll be a bed for a cat." I'm not really sure what kind of cat would lay in such a small cardboard box, but maybe like a really tiny small kitten, I don't know. This is my good side, and of course on the other side is my good side, which is telling you both sides are your good side. So of course you have the razors that come in this kit. You have some nice shave butter, which is pretty awesome. You guys can use that. And they always come with a razor. Freaking very, very nice razor. I love these razors. They're freaking amazing. But I'm telling you, Dollar Shave Club, please stop, because I'm not going to shave my beard. Like I said, guys, first link in the description, go check them out. Here we go. All right, guys, we are here. We're actually going to be doing a reaction drive with Ghost. It's going to be freaking awesome. And we have...
Hey, what's up?
Ashley. We have Ashley here. She's going to go for a ride in the car.
Yep.
And we're going to play the $100 game.
We are.
And I'm going to explain to you guys what the $100 game is.
I did a little research too.
Oh, did you? Okay,
Great
okay.
story.
So basically what the $100 game is we're going to take $100 to the dash of the car, okay? And then we're going to go down, we're going to drive around a little bit, you know, do some small pulls, you know, get you used to the power and stuff. And this car is making 900 horsepower at the wheels right now, so it's still running strong, guys. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take off, and if she can reach the $100, she can have the $100. If she doesn't get the $100, she's
still gonna
not
get a beer, probably.
Yeah, maybe, we'll see. But the whole point of the game is to be able to see if you can grab that $100 off the dash. Now, it's not going to be easy.
No.
I'm going to put that $100 way up on the dash.
I'm little. I'll fight for it.
Like you're going to have to, yeah, and you have to wear your seatbelt for safety.
All right, sounds good.
So that's just one rule. You have to wear your seatbelt. Always wear your seatbelt. That's, you know, safety first, guys. But we might play this game a few times with a few other girls. I don't know yet, but you're the first one. So we're gonna see how it works out. Let's get on the road, guys, and see how she does.
Bar's cool. Bar's real cool. I feel mad official. Right now. With this bar, I can't wiggle.
Like so. I'm gonna stick this thing, I don't know,
Right there.
right about there. Hopefully it sticks. Oh my god, my freaking car's like dusty. You know, we'll just stick it up here on the windshield.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
There
we go.
That's good. Then curl it back. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be epic. All right, so this car, if you don't know already, it makes about 900 horse to the wheel and 800 foot-pounds of torque.
That's fucking.
And it's a manual, so it's a nasty little motherfucker. All right, here we go. Because like I felt the boost come in, and then it just started spinning. like, yeah, she ain't getting nothing now. Alright, we'll turn around here.
Oh yeah.
We'll do like a little first gear pull. Let's see how that feels. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
Oh fucking hey. It's like if you don't get as close as you need to get before that fucking hits, you're done.
That's what I'm saying, like you have a couple split seconds
To get it.
to
and
get
I
it.
can't. Yeah,
And then if you can't
I
get
even
it,
tried to cheat a little bit,
Yeah.
like that didn't even work. So,
like you have a few seconds until the boost starts kicking in.
Damn it.
Because I was at like $3,000 then, and I could hear the turbo spooling, and I could feel the car pulling, and I was like, here it comes, and you're like reaching.
yo, I
you're
thought
reaching
I had this in the bag.
You were seriously reaching for it, for real.
I was like, yo, this is really frustrating me. Like, why is this happening?
Why am I not getting this money?
Ah.
So since you failed at the $100 game, we're gonna do the dollar game now at this point.
Yeah.
So we got 3 doll hairs,
Woo!
and we're gonna tape 3 doll hairs in random places.
Yep.
But there's gonna be a catch, guys.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Actually, I should just get in the car and talk about this. Put one right there.
If I don't get that one, I have a fucking problem. He's like, I'm gonna spin the car like 80 times,
Oh my
and then we'll try it.
This is gonna be so fucking funny as fuck. It's not even.
You gotta make something, yeah, make it. Oh, I'm gonna forget about that one for sure.
Oh my god, it's hilarious. Alright guys, so here's the deal. Since she failed at the $100 game,
It happened.
it does happen. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the dollar game, but there's a little catch
Twist.
to the dollar game. And that twist is she's gonna be blindfolded
With my shirt.
with her shirt as we do the pull. And she has to try to grab the doll hairs.
Which there's 3, and I'm definitely gonna
There's
forget
3
where
of
they
them.
are. So it's gonna be a good time.
But the thing is, you gotta get all of them.
I know.
You can't just get 1 or 2.
gotta
You have to get all of them.
To win, yeah.
Yes.
To win, officially.
Too much. This might be too much for freaking YouTube.
I'm in the blind.
Oh my god! If we get pulled over, you have to keep the blindfold on.
I will.
You have
I
to.
will. I
And
won't
the cop's gonna be like, what the
No,
hell?
just be like, she just got eye surgery.
Yeah.
So, like, chill.
Cataracts.
Slushies and share.
A slushy.
Yeah, I'll get you a slush. You deserve it, bro. Wherever you are.
I'm right here.
This feels like him.
3 doll hairs.
And if I do, I'd probably just buy like a slushies and share.
A slushy.
Yeah, I'll get you a slushie. You deserve it, bro. Wherever you are.
I'm right here.
This feels like him. On their like website, right? Like share a picture of you on Instagram. Like,
Yeah, definitely.
R.I.P. this guy's beard. Up on their like website, right? Like share a picture of you on Instagram. Like look how good he looks because he used our shavers. Like it'd be so great. That's like their thing.
Alright, we're gonna do a little quick pull.
Oh god.
I'm gonna downshift here in probably 2nd gear.
Okay. Just make sure you tell me when to go.
I will, don't worry. Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, where did they go? Did you take them down? I hate you so much.
Oh shit! That was the funniest thing ever.
I hate you so bad. I hate you so bad. So I took off my shirt for nothing.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to end it. All the fun and games are done. If you did, do me a big favor. Go check her out. Second link in the description. Give her a little follow on Instagram. She's a pretty cool chick. Other than that, guys, we are out of here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo